So guys, welcome to my channel and how to download the Gigabyte motherboard driver. So you have to come, this is Gigabyte officially website. You can download the driver gigabyte.com, and then you can, this is search button, and enter B760 space D2H, then hit enter. Then scroll down, click on second page. Otherwise you can just, you have to go directly this website. So open and Google to search this one. You can see this is gigabyte.com, and then click on the link. This is gigabyte.motherboard, and this and wait few seconds. After that, click on support. Then select your operating system which is you required. Windows 10 install, Windows 10 and 11. So both driver installation process same. So first guys, audio driver, you can see. Okay, and this is download icon. When you click to download, it will start downloading. You can see in the download box. Okay, I already downloaded. Just open it, then click on double click. Then click on yes. हाँ बोलना रे. हाँ क्यों रे? क्यों शूटर गलत निकल गया या सच में? क्या काम से आए लोग फिर? Then it is done, and close it. Chipset driver, same serial, and click to download. Then it is open, and double click to launch. Then click to yes. And then close it. Then install this one. Click to download. Open it, and double click to launch. Then click on yes. Now this is installing. then it is done, and close it. Then LAN driver, and always try to latest and click to download, like that, and it is completed. Just open it, double click to launch. Then click on yes. It is done, and then close it, then VGA. So this is guys download, and after download just double click to launch and then install it.